dream. All your troubles are they or what they seem. Look around you, then you may realize all the creatures are with their lives. And I might know about future, but then you still control the past. Only you know if you'll be together. Only you know if we shall last.
It was sent to me!
Okay, none of us touched it!
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mobius City and the Twisted Cops Police Department. Officials have identified these monsters grouping around Salt Lake City. Twisted Cops is making more closures through Interstate 15. Twisted Cops and Mobius City Police is dealing with the groupings. Please do not travel on Interstate 15. Interstate 15 is closed due to the groupings. If you are traveling on Interstate 15, get off the interstate at the nearest exit available. If you have any information on this alert, contact Mobius City Police or Twisted Cops Police.
What happened?
We interrupt your program to bring you a special news bulletin. TCPD and MCPD officials have identified these monsters grouping in Salt Lake City. Interstate 15 is closed due to this event. If you are driving on I-15, get off at the nearest available exit. As for a local TCPD officer who has spotted Godzilla, an emergency alert system alert was sent out to all cell phones and TV. In other news, several monster sightings have been reported by Mobian citizens. Another EAS alert should be sent out in a few minutes. We now return to regular programming.
The civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties or areas: Mobius City, Salt Lake City, effective until further notice. Message from WDFA/CAP. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mobius City Emergency Management and the Mobius City Police Department. Several monster sightings have been reported by Mobian citizens. Sightings have been found throughout Salt Lake City and Mobius City. These monsters are dangerous. Do not approach them. TCPD is closing Interstate 15. If you are traveling on the interstate, get off at the available exit. Monster gatherings are being cited by TCPD and MCPD officials. Please do not apprehend or interact with them. They are very dangerous. More sightings have been reported. All Mobius City residents, stay sheltered in your homes. This concludes this activation of the emergency alert system. More details will follow.
We just have another developing story, which is Godzilla roams through downtown Mobius City and fights Eggman's robots. Another emergency alert system alert was sent out to the public about monster sightings. We will now give you more updates on this available. This is Officer Gilmoy from the Twisted Cops Police Department. More sightings have been found throughout downtown Mobius City. All residents of a 65-mile radius from downtown Mobius City must evacuate immediately through southern Mobius City. If you have a vehicle, drive to the nearest shelter. Public transportation has been discontinued with people with no vehicles. Stay tuned for more further updates. It's just and that Godzilla is destroying Eggman's robots, and as is Alpha Roar and Mobius City. Officials said that those sightings were reported by Mobian citizens. Officials said that this roar is so loud that you need to protect yourself from the noise. We now return to regular programming.